Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to solve a very common problem in English, the difference between in and on. Both words are prepositions, and they often confuse learners because in many languages, the same preposition is used for both. But in English, they are not the same. Let's break it down in a very simple way. Rule 1. Use in when something is inside a space or an area. It means surrounded or enclosed by something. For example, the keys are in my pocket. She lives in New York. Rule 2. Use on when something is touching the surface of something. It means above and in contact with. For example, the book is on the table. There's a picture on the wall. So remember, in equals inside a space. On equals on the surface. But here is where it gets tricky. Sometimes we use in and on for time expressions, and the rules are different. We say in the morning, in July, in 2020. But we say on Monday, on Christmas Day, on my birthday. Why? Because in is for longer periods of time. Months, years, parts of the day, and on is for specific days and dates. Another example is transportation. We say, I am in a car because you are inside a small space. But I'm on the bus or on the train because these are larger, shared, open spaces where you stand or walk around. So the secret is, think about the space or the surface, and also the level of time or detail when talking about dates. That's the key difference between in and on. Now, let's look at some examples to make the explanation clearer. I saw it on TV. Why? We use on when we talk about television, radio, or the internet as platforms. We imagine content being on a surface or medium. I read it in the newspaper. Why? A newspaper is like a container of information, so we use in. I live on Main Street. Why? For streets and avenues, English uses on, not in. My friend lives on a farm. Why? A farm is seen as a piece of land, so on is used. But if you say in the farmhouse, then it's in. If you enjoyed this content and want more lessons like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.